Hello, welcome. This is the Year 10 Physics, and we're going to start off with some easy slides to show you about starting this course. So, we're going to start off with this. Let's try. First of all, when you see this sign, speed limit 20, what does the 20 refer to? Is it 20 miles per hour? Is it 20 kilometers per hour? Is it 20 meters per second? Things we don't know. We have to agree on a system of values, a system of units that everybody is going to agree on. So we have to have what's called a SI unit, and this is what we're going to be looking at. For example, falling out of a plane, what is the speed when you fall out of a plane? Is it 60? Is it 80? Is it 120? Well, it depends. If you're talking about meters per second, it's going to be about 70, 80 meters per second. If you're talking about kilometers per hour, it's going to be 180, 200 kilometers per hour, and so on. So let's look at some SI units. Mass, the unit of mass, the SI unit is kilograms, not grams, not pounds, not ounces, but kilograms. The unit of time is seconds, not hours, not minutes, not years, but seconds. And length is measured in meters, not miles, not kilometers, not parsecs, not light years, but meters. And if we do all the calculations and we stick to these units, we should agree on the values. For example, if we want to find the speed of an athlete, like Usain Bolt, he travels 100 meters in 9.6 seconds. So we have to calculate the speed. It's going to be 100 divided by 9.6, which is 10.4. And since it's in meters divided by seconds, this new derived unit is going to be meters per second. This is also an SI unit because it's derived from meters and seconds. We also need to know about the scales of 10, in other words, prefixes. In physics, we deal with very large numbers and very small numbers, so we need prefixes to summarize how big or small these numbers are. For example, 1,000 is given the prefix K for kilo, because kilo means 1,000 times, or 10 to the 3 times. A million is given the prefix mega, or 10 to the 6, times by 10 to the 3 again. 1,000 million is giga, or giga, and a million is 10 to the 12, which is tera. Notice that nearly all of these letters are capital letters, with the exception of the K for kilo. These are numbers that are very large. On the other hand, we could have small numbers. 1 divided by 1,000 is a milli, with a small m, 10 to the minus 3. Go up by a factor of 10 to the 3. We have 10 to the minus 6, which is 1 over a million, a millionth, which is micro. Nano, which is 10 to the minus 9, 1 over 1,000 million. And pico, which is 1 over a million, which is a million millionth, or 10 to the minus 12 of that unit. For example, a power station produces 10 gigawatts. Now, how much is this? We know that a giga is 10 to the 9, so it's going to produce 10 times 10 to the 9 watts, which means it's 10,000 million watts.